We are coming to you from the Kalkaji temple in the national capital. But the story today goes way beyond just one location. It is about the cross-border terror network which is now under investigation. Shabir Ahmed Lone, a terrorist, an alleged terrorist with links with Lashkar-e-Taiba, was arrested on March 29 at the Delhi border by the Delhi Police Special Cell. According to the investigators, Shabir Ahmed Lone has set his terror modules in Bangladesh to pull terror activities in India. In fact, his funding channels were also cross-border. They were not funding from a single country. This is not a single country operation as mentioned, viewers. Their funding also was routed through multiple cross-border channels, so to make it difficult for investigative agencies to track them down. And as you can see right now, the area which is the Kalkaji temple is a crowded area. And that was their plan. They had done a recce of the crowded religious and commercial areas such as Kalkaji temple, Lotus temple, Chhatarpur temple, and even commercial places such as Connaught Place. Their idea was to maybe pull terror activities in these commercial areas. That means they had moved beyond intent and now were in the phase of execution. According to the investigators, Shabir Ahmed Lone had recruited the youth from Jammu and Kashmir, radicalized them and put them on action. They had given them a task of putting anti-India, pro-Pakistani slogan posters in Delhi and Kolkata. And once they had done this action, these recruits had sent the videos of this to Shabir Ahmed Lone, where the police recovered chats that he was seen appreciating and acknowledging them. The matter is now under investigation. The police, the investigators will track as to how large this network is. You can see behind me is the Lotus temple, and this is the entry and the exit gate. And you can see how long are the entry queues. This place is heavily crowded, and Lotus temple, remember viewers, is also one of the target places revealed in the investigation for the terror attack. Lotus temple, Chhatarpur temple, Kalkaji temple, and also commercial areas around Connaught Place were also allegedly the places that they had plot for pulling out an attack.